Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D effect in CapCut in just a few simple steps. This is a great effect if you want your videos to look more dynamic, more cinematic, and way more eye-catching than a flat clip on the timeline. Whether you're editing for YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, or any other platform, this 3D style tilt can instantly make your content stand out. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open CapCut and select the clip you want to turn into a 3D effect on the timeline. Make sure the clip is highlighted because the effect needs to be applied directly to that specific video layer. Once your clip is selected, go to the Effects tab at the top left of the screen. This is where CapCut keeps all of its visual effects, and we're going to use one that gives us a strong 3D look. Now, in the search bar, type Player 3. If you don't see that exact effect, just type Player, because CapCut may show related results depending on your version or updates. Look for the effect that matches the record player style and then drag it directly onto your clip. Once you apply it, you'll notice it adds a spinning or animated look by default. That's not the final result we want yet, so don't worry if it looks a little strange at first. Next, we need to clean the effect so it becomes a smooth 3D plane instead of a record player animation. With the clip still selected, go to the Effects panel on the top right. This panel gives you the detailed controls for the effect you just added. Here, you'll want to adjust the settings carefully. Set texture to 0. This removes the unnecessary surface look from the effect. Then set glow to 0 as well. This keeps the result clean and stops the effect from adding extra light or shine that may distract from the 3D tilt. Once you do that, the clip should start looking much more like a simple 3D surface instead of a stylized record effect. Now comes the most important part, the rotation controls. In the same effects panel, find the rotate sliders. These sliders let you tilt the video in 3D space. If you want a fixed angled look, you can simply drag the slider until the screen tilts the way you want. This is perfect for creating a perspective effect that makes your clip feel like it's floating or turning in space. If you want movement, like the clip slowly rotating over time, you'll need to add a keyframe at the start of your movement. Move the playhead to the beginning of the section where you want the motion to start and tap the keyframe button. Then move the playhead forward in the timeline and adjust the rotate value again. CapCut will automatically animate between those 2 points, creating a smooth 3D movement effect. This is what makes the result look much more professional. Instead of a static angle, the video can gently tilt, rotate, or shift in perspective as it plays. You can use this for intros, transitions, product shots, social media edits, or any clip where you want to add depth and motion. Small adjustments go a long way here, so test different rotate values until the effect feels natural and stylish. If you want even more control, try combining the rotation with slight zoom or position changes. That can make the 3D look feel more realistic and more dramatic. Just remember to keep the motion smooth so it doesn't feel too aggressive or distracting. And that's it. You've now learned how to make a 3D effect in CapCut by adding the Player 3 effect, cleaning it up, and using the rotate sliders with keyframes for motion. It's a simple trick, but it can completely change the look of your edits. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.